Thank you so much. Again, my name is John. I work for Shaktiman, and I'm privileged to be here today. This is another episode. We are also meeting a very industrious and robust lady to tell us after the training what she perceives about the training, what she thinks about upscaling the training, or what she thinks about the practicability of Shaktiman engaging in grassroots levels. Thank you so much. Welcome. Tell us your name and what you do, where you come from, and what you do.
Okay, thank you, sir. My name is Rotary.
Your voice should be up a little bit.
Thank you, sir. My name is Rotary. I come from a place called Subsoiler, and I'm a plant operator. I operate for the machineries.
Wow. This is fantastic. Being a plant operator, today you have a privilege of learning more about implements. In your locality, what are some of the farming activities that you think these implements will be of benefit to the farmer in your location?
In our place, we farm maize, potatoes, and so many things, and it will help in making work easy in the place that I come from, because so many people use hands and they strain a lot when digging big farms. So Shaktiman has come and they will make our work easy.
Okay, thank you so much. And on your perception end, you've been operating maybe pram mover, maybe in attaching implements. Looking at the quality of Shaktiman implements vis-a-vis what you've been having as implements on your portfolio, what can you tell people about Shaktiman?
Okay, thank you, sir. What I can tell people out there about Shaktiman is a very good company because it has so good quality equipments that help us in making work easy and being able to work with them, because so many people say that use plow, don't use this thing. But we have seen that the subsoil helps us in digging the things that are so under the soil and makes it broken.
Okay. It breaks the hard pan. Looking at the trainings that we've been carrying out, we started with the planter, we have gone to these other implements today. Do you think this training is enough, or you need more training so that you can be acquainted to machineries, mechanization? What do you have to say?
Thank you. What I first want to say about the training, I've gained more knowledge than I did have before.
Yes.
So now I have the knowledge that Shaktiman is good and it's easy to operate with them. So I'm gaining more knowledge, but I would like to get more knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Given a chance today to be taken to India to train, how will you feel?
I'll be the happiest woman in the world.
Thank you so much. So, final question is, you as a woman, you are occupying your space as a woman. What can you tell other women now that you have gone oversight and started operating the machineries? What do you have to tell other women in terms of mechanization?
Thank you so much, sir. I want to say for women who are out there, their men are making them lose their self-esteem by telling them that they cannot be able to do the things that men can do. But what I can tell the women out there, the things that a man can do, a woman can do it better. So it's good that you come out and cater for yourself and for your children and make the world know that women can do better even than the man.
Fantastic. That is awesome. Finally, what do you tell the public about the Shaktiman implements? If given a chance, can you recommend Shaktiman implements?
Yes, thank you, sir. For what I can say on Shaktiman is the very good company in Kenya and all over the world, because they have the quality equipment that can help make your work easier, and it's cheap and it can be of benefit in our hands, because when you have the Shaktiman, they can guide you on how to use the equipment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ruth. I hope this is just a start, and we're going to engage more as you train other women as you continue in your operations as an engineer, we hope you are going to include Shaktiman in your portfolio.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.